Hi friends, today I'm gonna pick up one of my friends. He's coming to visit me, so I'm on the way to pick up him. Now he's arriving at Mương Phương, so I'm coming from our village to Mương Phương to pick him up. So we're gonna see that this video. I'm gonna meet my friend. Yeah, okay, so let's go together. Yeah, as you see here, Mương Phương market is there, right? Market. Yeah. He is there inside here. If anyone want to come to visit us, when you arrive at Mương Market, you have to stop here because there will be the other way to my village. Yeah. I think he's the guy behind the red shirt, behind the car there. Yeah, I think he's the guy. I guess. But I will wait if is he coming here now. Yeah. Oh, this is my friend. Hello. Yeah, fine. Thank you. Oh, nice to meet you. Yeah.
I wanted to get some fruit and stuff.
Oh,
where can we buy fruit that I can buy for us?
Yeah.
Where can we buy fruit?
Fruits, right?
Buy some fruit to take back for dinner tonight.
Inside the market, yeah. But you need to buy more petrol.
Okay.
Yeah.
More petrol?
Yeah. Buy, yeah. So you can come here. I lead you there. Me and my friends, we are on the way to my village, and we want to see sun view, and we want to make a video also. Yeah, maybe this size better. Yeah, we are on the way. This road is engaged into our village down there. Yeah. Yeah. Now me and my friends, we are arriving at the school. Yeah, he is making some video there, and kids are around here and there.
Probably won't get to study tonight, unfortunately, but we'll make up for it for the next 2 days. First time
inside, and some are playing volleyball down there. Yeah. Now, brother Barry and me, we are preparing to go to the farm. Yeah. Today is a hot day. The sun is up there. Yeah. So time for farming. This is the kids still inside. My mom is taking care of the kids. Yeah. We are going now by bike. Now we are at the farm now. And brother Barry teach me the word this kind of house. And it's a hut. I did not know before. I always said to you guys that a small house, right? I don't know because I don't know the word, and he teach me the word hut. Yeah. So we are arriving.
Huts everywhere on the farm.
Yeah.
Out here in the country.
Yeah. My stay is preparing. And how to call this one? How you call it?
A bundle.
What?
A bundle.
Bundle.
A bundle of bamboo.
Bundle of bamboo.
Slits.
Yeah. Okay. Go now. How do you spell bundle?
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 B-U-N-D-L-E.
B-U-N?
B-U-N-D-L-E.
D-L-E. Bundle.
Yeah, so
bundle.
A bundle of
bundle.
Of things. A bundle of bamboo, bundle of rice, a bundle. Anytime you
Yeah.
Put it together like that.
Yeah.
So that one was a bundle of like bamboo.
Yeah.
Slits, or what do you call those? Like when it's not bamboo, you cut them into small pieces, bamboo pieces.
Yeah.
Bundle of bamboo.
Yeah. Yeah, it's all wood farm.